Assalamu alaikum Morokistan family. Today we are making another super refreshing summer drink. Mango lassi is the perfect way to cool down. So let's dive right in. Add 1 cup of mango chunks into a blender. Then add half cup of yogurt. Then pour in half cup of milk. Then add 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can adjust based on your sweetness preference. Then sprinkle in 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder for flavor. Then add 3 to 5 ice cubes if your mangoes, milk and yogurt are not chilled. Blend everything together until smooth and creamy. Pour into a glass. Garnish with chopped nuts and a pinch of saffron. And there you have it, your amazing mango lassi is ready to be enjoyed. Happy cooking and see you next time.